What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Forex YouTube channel. It's been a long time. We haven't uploaded anything yet since last year. We started loading this video on 2023. We're hoping we're gonna be consistently uploading videos for you guys, because we have something new for you guys that I'm gonna be doing and sharing with you in the long journey. In this particular video, I'll be explaining how I'm gonna be documenting my strategy, how I trade the market. It's gonna be like a documentary video, not a video, but it's gonna be a documentary series of videos I'm gonna be uploading every weekend, explaining how I was trading during the week and all those things. And another thing, guys, I'll be journaling and documenting all my trades and everything while I'm working a full 9 to 5. I'm not a full-time day trader yet, but I'm still a 9 to 5. So this is what the documentary will be all about. It will be all about documenting myself while I'm in the 9 to 5, while I'm day trading, using the strategy and applying it. So the longevity of this thing is to see myself trading a funded account with prop firms. But before we get into that, I still want to be trading my own personal account, building it, doing all the rules, applying all the rules the prop firms do want us to apply when we are trading their funded capital. So I'm going to be doing that on a live account on my own capital, then growing from there. Then after that, I'll be going to a prop firm once I know my system works, once I know my psychology works, and I'm actually ready to be pursuing the side of trading for prop firms. But for now, I'm going to be documenting myself, how I trade during the week, how I trade while I have a 9 to 5 on the other hand. Hopefully this video, guys, is gonna help. This series of videos are gonna help some of you guys that are working and you don't know how to trade. Maybe you're gonna look at my trades, look at my setups, look at how I look at the market and the times that I trade during the market and all those things, how I balance things from work and trading as well, because I know it's possible. So I want to try and make it possible on this channel. Right now I'm in a setup. I took a setup. I'm on a Nasdaq setup. It's a short-term setup. I'll be explaining everything once I get into the charts, and I'll be uploading another video whereby you will see me analyzing and entering the positions that I've entered. So right now I'm just going to be currently briefing you guys on how the setup is looking and what I was looking at and how it's going now. So straight up, let's go to the charts and see what we can see there. 20 past 12 and I'm already in line with this setup over here. What I'm looking at is Nasdaq. I'm looking at on 15-minute time frame. I was waiting for a break of structure there and then a drop to the downside after a break of structure, and then what I'm looking for now is a distribution of the market whereby the market will go up, close that gap there where that fair value gap, and hit that left shoulder, because I'm also considering that left shoulder over there. If I'll change it to a line chart, it will be more clear. As you can see, there's a left shoulder, there's a head, which is a buy stop liquidity over there, and then that orange dot over there, it's a sell stop liquidity. So if we fail to break that buy stop liquidity over there, we're going to be targeting that orange cycle as our bearish liquidity, but this will be a retracement. So what I'm looking at a 1:2. Here's my percent, here's my targets there. I'm targeting my stop loss will be 0.35%, and I'm targeting 0.35% times 2, which is a 1:2, and I'm already in with buy limits on this setup. I'm already in with my sell limit on this setup. So this is Nasdaq 15-minute time frame. I'm already in. That's a small account that I'm growing there. So what I'm waiting for a London session, New York session to open, and then that will clear my confirmations for this setup. But the overall bias of the trend is going up. This is just a retracement that I'm targeting, and then I'll be looking at the overall bias of the market going up. So guys, it's Friday today, and currently I was looking at a setup on Nasdaq. On the overall direction of the market, we are bullish, and I was fully aware on higher time frame we are bullish, but I was looking at this as a small retracement before we continue to go to the upside. There's a small video that I've uploaded as well together with this video. There's a small video where I do a small analysis on what I was looking at, so I'll just quickly explain that and then get into the trade. So I was looking at this liquidity over here not taken out, and I was looking at these sell stops over here not taken out. So I was looking for price to accumulate here, and after that to manipulate these sell stops that are resting below these areas. And after that I was looking for a price to go to the upside and then come back and hit these sell stops over here before we take off and go to the upside. So this is a trade setup I was looking at, and I was looking at this gap as a fair value gap area in this point. So we got triggered on that trade. So far we are in a small profit. So far my stop loss is here. I'm taking on this trade is 1:2. My 1:2 risk reward ratio. Once we hit take profit, we're gonna be out. So my stop loss is there and my take profit is behind here. So it's a small retracement that I'm looking at. I'm not looking at the overall direction of the market. So that's the setup for today. On a Friday, I'll be taking that and I'll be looking at it what happens after that. So that's a small explanation of the trade setup that I'm in. And that is the trade setup that I'm in, guys. So guys, I'll be continuing to upload more videos. I'll be continuing to journal myself while I'm doing this documentary, looking at myself. So basically the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to see consistency in me. I want to see where I'm doing things wrong. Like actually I'm using a YouTube to upload these videos so that I can come back and look at myself and see where I'm going wrong and what I should improve on. So basically I hope even you guys are going to enjoy this type of vlog or this type of documentary, so that you guys can actually see yourselves being more consistency in the market, because that's what is more important. So guys, I'll check you on another video. I'll still document the next week what I'm gonna be up to, and I'm gonna upload that in this channel. So cheers guys, have a great one.